Before watching this video, you may want to watch our other video on how to perform a successful air conditioning system flush when the compressor is being replaced. In this video, we will share some additional flushing quick tips that we did not cover in the basic flushing video. To flush the evaporator on some older systems, it may be necessary to actually remove it from the dash in order to remove the TXV and attach the flush tool. Here again, it may be more cost-effective to simply replace the evaporator and the TXV, especially if it was not possible to leak test the system before performing the repairs. You can make more efficient use of your flush solvent and improve its effectiveness by using the tool without solvent initially to blow excess oil from the evaporator before performing the actual flush. Capture any recovered oil in a separate container for inspection. An excessive amount of oil in the evaporator usually indicates that the system was low on refrigerant leading up to the compressor failure and most likely has a leak that will need to be found and repaired. If a system is particularly heavily contaminated, for example if the oil is black or burned, it is a good idea to pre-soak the evaporator. Use the flush tool to squirt about a pint of flush solvent into the evaporator and allow it to soak for 15 minutes. Then perform the flush normally. If you have difficulty connecting the universal adapter to the evaporator due to restricted access, you can usually improvise by using a section of old hose to connect the tool to the evaporator. It is important to use enough solvent to thoroughly flush the component being flushed, especially the evaporator. You can make more efficient use of your high-quality, highly evaporative flush solvent by using a greater volume of a less expensive solvent in bulk to get the abrasive debris and dirty oil out of the evaporator, and then use a lesser amount of the highly evaporative flush to chase the evaporator and remove any traces of harmful residue. We hope that these additional flushing quick tips will help you flush any air conditioning system and ensure a successful, comeback-free repair.